This is about something serious, about dog people. Now, I like dogs. I just don't want a dog. I don't have a dog. I believe if you have a dog, you should have a big yard and a lot of space and time with the dog to walk the dog and play with the dog. I don't have the space and I don't have the time. So I'm not going to get a dog. But I don't like the dog people that think that you like their dog just because they like their dog. I want them to assume that they're not sure if I like the dog and they ask me before it jumps all over me if that's okay. Because the truth is, if I was alone in a room with the dog, we'd probably be best friends. I'd be playing and throwing the ball and petting the dog. But I don't like that you think I like the dog before you know if I like the dog. I was in the gym and there was one of those emotional support dogs in there, and I think the guy's faking it. The dog comes right up to me. I'm doing a pullover on a machine pullover, and the dog's sniffing me. I had to give the guy the death stare, you know? Like, I don't think that's right, right? Contain your dog. Come up to me when I'm not in an awkward position. And I'll let you know if I want to pet your dog.